In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client document confirmation automation in GoHighLevel. We're building a simple, reliable system that automatically confirms to your clients that their documents were received by SMS and optionally by email. This keeps expectations clear and reduces back and forth. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account. Before creating the automation, you should already have a document upload form built in the form builder. That form is what clients will use to submit their files, and it's the foundation for our trigger. If you haven't created it yet, pause and set it up with fields for name, email, phone, and your file upload element. With the form ready, head to the automation section from the left panel. Click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch, so we're starting with a clean slate. Name the workflow document received confirmation. Clear names make it easy to find and manage later, especially as your library grows. Next, add the trigger. Click Add New Trigger and select Form Submitted. This tells the workflow to fire when any form is submitted. To target only your upload form, click Add Filters, choose Form Is, and then select your document upload form from the list. This filter is crucial. It prevents other forms from triggering confirmations by mistake. Click Save Trigger. Now let's send the confirmation SMS. Click the plus button under the trigger and choose Send SMS. Write a short, friendly message that confirms receipt and sets expectations. For example, "Thanks. We received your documents, and our team is reviewing them. We'll follow up if anything else is needed." Consider using merge fields like the contact's first name to personalize the message, and keep it concise for deliverability. When you're happy with it, click Save Action. If you also want to send an email, add another action and choose Send Email. Set the subject to We received your documents. In the body, thank the client, confirm that their files arrived, and briefly outline next steps or timelines. Keep formatting clean, avoid heavy images, and make sure your from address is verified for best deliverability. Then click Save Action. To go live, publish the workflow. In the top right, toggle Draft to publish and click Save. That's it. Your automation is active. Pro tip: after publishing, submit the form yourself to confirm the SMS and email. Look right, links work, and timing feels good. You can monitor results in conversations and the workflow's history to ensure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined client communication.